Hey guys, hope you are doing well. My name is Mohammad Danish and we are back with another weekly analysis. And in this week we are going to cover same pair gold and US30. And first we will discuss what we predicted last week and how the market behaved. And then the later part we will cover the forecast of the next week as well. So let's dive into the charts and see what we have in this week. Start with the recap of the last week. So this is the same chart in the lower time frame H1 we used for the prediction of the last week. So we discussed in the last week at the time when price was hovering around 27, 15, 16. So we discussed like the first resistance level where market can return would be 27, 22, and initial price would respect this zone. Yeah, there was a lot of fundamental during Monday, so price hit this level and then all the way drop as well. So that was a good part in terms of analysis, like price hit and all the way drop by almost 500 pips within few hours. But the bad part is, as a community we take a first trade, and our first trade was buy 26.66, but then price made a low 26.58 and we got stopped out like 30-40 pips and we got an SL hit. Then we had another trade, we take a buy here around 26.78, and at certain point, like last week I was in Dubai and was traveling coming back to Pakistan, so I had a bad internet, so we take a buy. The buy went very good. At one point I was like 100 pips in profit, even though I adjust my SL, put the top loss into the break even, but due to bad connection it was never happened. And then when I see I was in a drawdown of almost 200 pips, but thank god like I did not violate my account. So Monday was a bad day, like it was all the way losses for me and in the community as well. And then we had the Tuesday there's a lot of fundamental as well. We take a first trade on the Tuesday was a sell. When the market was open I was ready because there was a lot of fundamental, like Trump announced the new tariff package for Mexico and Canada and China as well. So we take a sell here like 26.28 based on fundamental, and within 30-40 minutes price drop and we catch almost 250 pips here as well. So this was the first successful profitable trade which cover all the losses we have taken on the Monday. And then we have taken the third trade around this zone here. So we have taken a sell 26.42 followed by another sell around 26.32, and with this trade we have catch almost 200 pips here as well. So this was the third trade we have taken as a profitable trade. And then we have taken a fourth trade around this zone 26.44, 46 here, 26.44 and 46, and we discussed in the community like we can easily catch almost 100 plus pips here as well. So price tap to our level and then all the way bullish and we catch almost 100 pips here as well, because this was a trade we have taken after the news on Wednesday. So this was a very good trade as well, and we closed the trade almost we catch 100 plus pips here as well. And then Thursday, there was a holiday, so we have not taken any kind of trade. Then we have the Friday. On Friday we have only taken one trade, and the one trade we have taken I have shared with the community as well. Like we have taken a buy between 26.54 to 26.56. Yeah, this was the range where we taken a buy, and our target was 100 plus pips like 26.66. So this trade was also played out very well, except Monday. Rest all the days we have taken a good trades, like catch almost 100 plus pips average on all the trades. So gold was move in the same way what we predicted, but it does not give us the good buy option on the Monday. But then Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday we have a couple of good trades, and we ended up our week as a profitable trade. So this is all we have in terms of recap. So let's discuss the forecast for the next week. So here we have the gold H4 chart. So let me draw some zones here and then we will discuss in detail. So in the downside we have this area of concern, and further downside we have this zone here, and in the high side we have this area, and further high side we have this area of concern here as well. And even I would say this is a good area. And for now price is ranging between 26.40 to 60, and sometime like it go above, and then so it is a kind of range gold is in stuck for now. So let's discuss the buy option first. So buy option, like we may see the Monday price can come down to this zone easily. This is a daily base zone, so price can easily come down to this zone and price respect this, then we can look for buy option, and our first target should be like 2666 followed by on 2680, and the next buy option would be like if price, let's suppose, does not respect this zone and further come down to test this level, so 2620, so we may see like price if respect this zone, then we can look for buy option, and again our first target would be like 2635. This would be a good range in terms of day base, like 150 pips range, then followed by another target like 2664 and further up here as well. So these are the buy option. On the other side, like the third buy option would be like price go up, hit and break this zone, then on the break we can look for buy option and target this 2720 area as well. So these are the buy options for us in the next week. As for now, gold looks bullish as price retrace down, test this 2550 and then all the way bullish, so it is a kind of retracement of this bullish move. So these are the buy option we discussed, but as you know, there's a lot of fundamental going on, so we need to be flexible what market give us the information. So let's discuss the sell zone of sell options as well. So in the sell side option, I would say the best sell option would be like price come to this zone and we can look for sell option in this area, and if price reject this, then we have the good sell trade would be like 200-300 pips easily. The initial day-to-day base trade, like price can easily give you 150 pips till 2665 followed by 2650 or 40 as well. So this is the good sell zone as well. And on the other side, I want to see the price come down all the way 2620, and if price break this zone 2620 in the next week, then we have the floodgate open and we have the very clean traffic on the left side you can see, and price can easily hit this target as well. So yeah, these are the two sell option I'm looking forward for the next week. And also, let's suppose price come to this zone 2722, I'm not considering it as a major zone, but yeah, if price go further bullish, then 2750 or 40 would be the good level where we can look for sell zone option. Overall, for now, as per price offering us a structure, I am pretty much bullish, but also I will keep an eye for the sell zone options as well. So this is all we have in terms of gold. So let's move to the next pair, which is US30. So here we have the US30 H4 chart. US30 is very much bullish, and now we see what we have. So in the downside, we have this zone here. I personally want to see the US30 come down to retest this zone. Even US30 have it to make a good wick or spike, so price may come down to this zone as well, like 900, and then we can look for buy option, and then expecting like the first target should be like 45-150 followed by 400 as well. So the other option is like price will not go all the way to 900, price may come down to just 44, 950, 940, and then all the way bullish. So this is a pretty much on the card, because the way US30 is bullish, I'm expecting the more bullish movement. Since Trump is win the election, US election, the stock market is all the way bullish. I'm expecting the more bullish movement for US30 as well. So this is a pretty much simple trade for me, but I'm only looking for the buy option. If that is not gonna work, I'm not gonna sell for US30. So I'm only looking for the buy option for US30. This is all we have for the two pairs. Hopefully you enjoy our weekly analysis. Also, we have the Discord community where I will be there on every day, Monday to Friday during NY session, and share my all day-to-day base analysis. So you can join there. There is no paid subscription, no paid signals, no course selling. So everything is free for everyone. So you can join there and enjoy my analysis on day-to-day base as well. So yeah, this is all we have. Thank you so much. Have a great day.